All right, in this video, I'll go over some ways we can help with satellite photos and satellite videos with aerial notations, callouts, and graphics. So at Real Estate Photographer Pro, you can go to the homepage there. You can book a creative call with us. If we need to discuss some ideas, you can do that right here on the homepage, or you can go ahead and book your project. It might be a photo shoot. It might just be satellite photos, or you can also click book and prices right up here. When you go into the shopping cart, you'll see just several different choices. But first, I just wanted to show you some examples of satellite photos. So this is a project over by the Nashville airport, and it was impossible to fly a drone there. And we're able to pull satellite photos and then edit those and then put notations on the photos to show how close this apartment is. Not how close it is to the airport, but that's could be part of the selling process, but where it is in relationship to downtown Nashville. So we just did a series of photos that show that, and then some of these have aerial notations on them to call attention to what's being sold here and the position of the property. So in our shopping cart, you just go in, put in the address of the project, come down to aerial notations, and order aerial notation. If it's a large project, you want to do at least this aerial 10 lots. If it's a small project, you want to order the second one here. If it's more detailed, once the order's done, we can discuss, if there's other charges involved. But usually these two scenarios will cover most projects. Now, if you need actual drone photos, you'd come over here to drone photos and book the appropriate number of drone photos you need. If you'd like to complement that with a drone video, we have that right here. And there's a third option that's not in the shopping cart. It's actually a special order right now, but it's what we call satellite marketing videos with call outs, graphics, and animations. So we can do, I'm going to go through examples that you can do with the satellite videos. Do property lots, call attention to where the property is located, the highways, call attention to the position of the property lines. You can do property dimension call outs with pop-up animations. You could do multiple properties. So if you're selling a large project, you can call attention to that. You can do lot pop outs. So it actually pops out and you call attention to the acreage size. You can do graphics where you have the logos of other businesses around the property. You can do video animation. So we're mixing several different call outs in one graphic. These videos can be 30 seconds. They can be up to 3 minutes. We haven't done any over 3 minutes, but it could be done. But 2 minutes is probably the amount of video that most people are using right now. You can do location showing drive times, different locations, more property lines examples. And this video example at the top, and this is Real Estate Photographer Pro /motion videos. We have examples of videos, and this one actually has a voiceover in it. So when you play the video, it has stock footage mixed with satellite footage and a voiceover added to the video to tell the story. Then it has call outs, graphics, and animations to bring it all together. And this video is about 1.5 minutes. And this is just a demonstration video. So let us know. We can help. Thank you very much. The website is realestatephotographerpro.com.